This video guide will be helpful for those who want to install iOS 26 Beta 2 on a secondary device. Before updating your phone, make sure to create a recent backup. So I'm on the software update screen. The Beta 2 update size is 1.54 gigs, so the complete process will take up to 30 minutes. So watch until the end to see the complete installation process. And in the end, I'll be showing you the new Control Center look comparison between Beta 1 and Beta 2. This is Apple's Terms and Conditions page. You have to click the Agree button, and then again click on Agree to confirm. Without this, the process cannot move forward. Afterward, the process proceeds to the Update Requested stage. This may take some time, depending on your device's storage capacity and Apple's cloud service, as many users are downloading from Apple's servers simultaneously. Be patient and wait as long as you can. After that, you'll need to pass one more stage, which is Preparing Update. When you see Preparing Update on your device, especially with iOS updates, it means your device is happily getting everything ready to install the update. During this time, it carefully checks the update package, unpacks files, and configures itself to smoothly switch to the new software. This is an important step to ensure everything runs perfectly before the actual installation starts. During installation, your phone's screen might initially stay black, and after a few minutes, you'll see the Apple logo with a loading bar below. Just sit back and relax while the new Glass UI Hello screen appears. Welcome you to iOS 26 Beta 2. So finally, this all-new Glass UI, Apple logo, and Hello screen. Just swipe up from the bottom to complete the on-screen process and use all new iOS 26 Beta 2 on your iPhone. So guys, after all the processes have been completed successfully, we get the all-new welcome screen. And now we will look at the difference between the control center in 26 Beta 2 on my left hand and 26 Beta 1 on my right hand. iOS 26 Beta 2 introduces more blur behind the liquid glass control center buttons, creating a more opaque appearance that enhances visibility compared to before. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and share it.